Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So, if you read from the title, you are going to see we have two mystery boxes. Well, we have a bag and we have a box. This is from OFRA Cosmetics. These are still available, so I'm so excited to be unboxing this for you guys. I had this now for a while, and I have not, you guys can see, it has not been opened or anything. So I'm really excited. They had a few of them that you can pick from. So they had the makeup box that was $35, and they also had a skincare box that was $35. I got the makeup box. I did not get the skincare box. And then they also had a bag that was $35 and that was $25, I believe. I can't remember offhand, but I got both of them that were $35. These are still available. I believe the $25 one is no longer available, but I will leave the link down below if you want to get these. If you want to build your collection or want to try different OFRA cosmetics, I definitely think these are worth it. So if you want to see what I got and are they worth it, then keep on watching. All right, so let's open up the box right here. Let me double check and see which one was it, the bag or the box that came in a skincare one. Okay, so on this phone, so right here, you could have got the skincare bag or the skincare, you could have got the skincare bag or you could have got the makeup bag. They are both in stock. They are $35. And then you could have got the box, which was $25. This, you can get up to $85 worth of value. Now, this is out of stock. But if you want to get the bags that are $35, comes with the bag, the makeup one and the skincare one is still available. I only got the makeup one. I didn't get the skincare one. But let me know down below if you want me to purchase the skincare one since it's available. And then I can unbag that on our channel as well. So make sure you let me know yay or nay. All right, so let's do the box first since it's $25 and it's out of stock anyway. So let's just see what is in here, what we would have got. Okay, so there we go. All right, so there are some stuff on top and on the bottom. All right, so you don't ever get cards with this stuff since it is a mystery. So because I might get this, you might get something else. All right, so the first thing we got is, of course, I was going to say from OFRA. Everything in here is from OFRA. This is a Derma Mineral Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Blue Jeans. I believe I got this before, but I think I put it in a giveaway. So, because at that time, I wasn't doing a lot of color. But now that I do use color, I'll definitely use this. And it definitely looks like denim jeans. All right, so it's one of these thingy-majiggies. Oh, thank God, it's not one of those things. I always have trouble getting that sticker off. So let's put some in here and then I'll do like a swatch. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. So I got a little bit out. Let's see. So this is this a matte? Let's just swatch it. That is gorgeous. It's like a satin color. That is really pretty. So the first thing we got is a loose eyeshadow palette in, shadow in Blue Jeans, which like I said, it's really pretty. All right, so I'm excited for that. The next thing we got, we got some two hand sanitizers. So this is great. I'm gonna put this right in my pocketbook. All right, I'm excited for that. Oh, and then we have the lip gloss in the shade Mocha. This is full size. I love their lip glosses. I really do. This is gorgeous. Let me do a little swatchy swatch for you. Look at this. That is just gorgeous. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. They're very opaque. They're not that sticky. And I really like it. It's not my favorite formula in the whole world, but they're definitely good, and I'm happy to get that. All right, the next thing we got, so this is the Ipsy and OFRA. We got this a long time ago, and this is in the, it says use code Ipsy30 for 30% off. Made in USA. I'm trying to see what shade it is. I can't, unzipped. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. I'm not going to open this. I have so many lipsticks, guys, that this will just go to waste. So I actually have a 40K giveaway going on right now. So I'll throw that in there. There's going to be 4 winners. So if you haven't entered that yet, make sure you enter that. I'll leave the link down below. All right. So then we have a lip liner in Plum Perfect. So let's see the color right there. I'm going to put this in a giveaway too. My favorite lip liners are from Gerard Cosmetics. Actually, they have a sale right now for 5 lip liners are $25. I do have a code that you guys can use. It is JustAnn in all caps, and you can save 30% off. That is an affiliate link. Now, I don't know if my code will work since it's already on sale. So check it out. See if you can get an extra 30% off. My favorite colors are Share, Mudslide, Sugar and Spice. I absolutely love Gerard Cosmetics lip liners. I'm going to put this in together since they go together. This is a little bit darker. You would go around your lips, you know, and go on with a lighter shade. So I'll definitely put that in a giveaway. And then last but not least, we have like a little refill. This looks like a highlighter. I don't see the shade name on here. Maybe it is. Let's see. Oh, Cloud 9. This is the one that I don't have. So this is the OFRA and Nikki Tutorials. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to buy a compact because I know if I put this in like a magnetic, I'll never use it because I just don't reach for them. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to do a little swatch. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this. This is like kind of like a duochrome. It's like a pinkish, champagne-ish. I don't even know if you guys can see. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit on my cheeks and see. I don't have the right highlighting brush, but I'll just use, why not? Put a little bit on. So let's see. I'm only going to do very little because OFRA highlighters are very blinding. Oh, that's pretty. Whoa. Let me go get my sponge. All right, this is the one that I used today for my foundation and stuff. So it's still a little damp. That's beautiful. All right, so that is everything that we got in this box. That was $25. So we have a lip gloss in the shade Mocha, which is absolutely gorgeous. We have the loose eyeshadow in Blue Jeans, which is really, really pretty. We have a couple samples of their hand sanitizers. I do know OFRA does sell hand sanitizers, so that's good. You get to try it to see if you like it. We have a refill in the shade Cloud 9, which, like I said, I don't know what you can see. That's just gorgeous. And then I'm going to throw this in a giveaway so it goes together, the lipstick and the lip liner. That will go in the 40K giveaway. So do I think that was worth the $25? I absolutely do. Definitely. That's why I always get their mystery boxes. All right. So now here is the bag. So you could either got the makeup one or the skincare one. These are still available and these are $35. And the bag is really, really nice. Like it's really sturdy. And it says, OFRA on there, it says perfecting beauty every day. Don't forget to let me know down below if you want to pick up the skincare one and I'll definitely pick that up. All right, so let's open it up and it's pretty filled. Usually get like 4 or 5 things. All right, so the first thing we got is this Cleanse It Off wipes, which I can always use more wipes. I love using these little things. So when I'm filming and I want to take off my swatches, I love using these. And I believe these are the ones for your lips. I'm not sure. Yeah, lip wipes. I'm really excited to get that. All right, the next one is this makeup fixer. And you guys know I like setting spray. Like I said, my favorite is from Gerard Cosmetics, but I do like the OFRA one. The ones that I have usually are in like an orange bottle, so I don't know if this is any different. Maybe it's a different scent. I'll tell you what, I don't know if they really work to make your makeup last longer. But what I like to use these for is when I go in with powder. So when I put my foundation on and I go in with powder, I'll spray my face again, take my Dampen Beauty blender, push it in. That way the powder melts into my skin. It doesn't look cakey. And then also when I'm done, finished on my makeup, I again go in it one more time. And then also when I do my highlighter, I will take, you know, sometimes I'll just spray this and go in. skin. So I really like setting sprays for that. So I'm happy to get that. I go through them lots. The next thing is from, I keep telling it to say OFRA, but everything's from OFRA. This is the banana powder. Now, I don't think I've tried the banana powder. I think one time it came in like one of those refill pans, and I don't tend to reach for them. So I think I gave it away. But because this came in a compact, I'll definitely use it. It comes with the mirror, and that's what it looks like. And these are good to brighten up your under eyes. Now, if you are very fair skin, lavender is really, really good if you need something to really brighten up. But this will definitely go. I can use this or the lavender. I have that in between, like olive fair complexion, if that makes any sense. It's really hard to explain. And you're not going to see it. I don't even know why I swatch. It's just yellow. Oh, and it smells like banana. I love bananas so much. Anything banana, love it. All right, so we have that. Two more things. Then we have, oh, this is a really pretty color. This is Panama. So it's their liquid lipstick. It's really, really pretty. Let's put it right here. Ooh, baby, that is bright. It's not coming off too bright on camera, but that's okay because I'll go in with my lip liner, or if I have a dark lipstick. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit on top, and I can show you what I do to kind of, any like darker lipsticks to kind of like brighten them up. Now, see that? And then I just go. And it does like an ombre effect. And then what I'll do is I'll go in with a lip gloss, and I'll put a lip gloss on top. It kind of like blends everything together. So there we go. Then last but not least, oh, we have a highlighter. This is in Talia Mar collab. So she did a collab with OFRA. Thank God it wasn't the retrograde, because that's usually what you tend to get. So I'm so glad they put something else in here. So this is the highlighter in Soho. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So it comes with a mirror. These are like $35. So right here, this pays for the whole mystery bag, and then everything else is free. So let's do a little swatch. It's a little bit dark. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. But I can always go in and use this as an eyeshadow. I don't know, like I said, what you're going to see. I would try it on, but I got so much on already. This is really, really pretty. Let's see so you guys can see. I mean, that's just gorgeous. All right, so let's recap what we got in this bag. So we got the highlighter, which I'm really excited to get. We have the liquid lipstick right here. We have a banana powder, which I love. It came in a compact. We have some more wipes, which I'm excited. This is full size too. No, maybe not. You get 15 pieces. I don't know if it's full size or not. And then we have the thing. I know this is full size. So I am really satisfied with the mystery boxes. I'm going to go put lip gloss on, and I'll be right back and show you the difference. This right here is my all-time favorite by Dominique Cosmetics. I love her lip glosses. So let me just put it on top. I'm so used to having like lip gloss or something on that I'm not used to like the mattes. So it just blends everything in. So that's why I always go on with that. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that these mystery boxes and bags were worth it? I definitely do. Definitely recommend that if you want to build up your makeup collection, or if you want to build up, you know, if you want to try different things from OFRA. I really do. And the bags are really worth it. Sometimes they're not, but this one I can say it's really big. And they're really sturdy. It's really worth it. So like I said, do not forget, let me know if you want me to get that skincare one, and I will order that right away. And then when it comes in, I'll put that on our channel. So at the end of the video, I always ask you guys to rate the video. So give me a thumbs up if you like these mystery boxes. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like these mystery boxes. The more thumbs down I get, then I know not to put mystery boxes on our channel. So that's why I asked you guys to rate the video. That way you guys can be anonymous. If you don't want to put in the comments, I don't like this, you can just do it. That way I don't know who likes it and who dislikes it. And that helps me out to decide what to put on our channel, because I only want to put stuff on there that you guys like. But that's everything. Don't forget to sign up for that 40K giveaway that is still active. But yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to let me know how your day is. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really, really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. If you like this type of video, I will put some right here. Check them out. I will put the 40K giveaway right here. So you will see it pop up. Click on that and I'll take you right to the giveaway. All right, guys, I'll shut up now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.